Okay, we've got it. Wonderful.
So can you see my screen right now?
We can, yes. So you've got 3 minutes starting now.
Awesome. So thank you, gentlemen. My name is Balaji. I'm the founder and CEO of Sensfix, headquartered in the Silicon Valley and having an European office in Warsaw, Poland. At Sensfix, we make devices speak directly to service. So the problem that we are addressing is all the devices surrounding us, in our offices, in our industries, manufacturing facilities, of the likes of what you see on the screen, they still depend on operation managers to plan their maintenance in spite of all the advancements. So our vision is to enable such devices, like from air conditioner to electric vehicle charging station, whatever, to automatically search, find, schedule, and manage their repair and maintenance by themselves. So in the end, it sounds like these devices can self-schedule, self-dispatch, and self-ticket their service. So me and my co-founders, we come from operation and maintenance industry, and we saw IoT and predictive maintenance, big data analytics hitting the market. But the O&M managers still work with basic and primitive tools like phone calls, Excel spreadsheets in order to run their daily operations, to keep all those machines and devices up and running. And that is overwhelming. So that's why we said the solution is not just IoT and big data analytics, but to integrate the intelligence directly into the workflow of the operation and maintenance block. So you can visualize Sensfix as a UiPath plus Uber for B2B device service. So this we do by bringing two concepts into the market, which are being patented. Number one, imagine in your office, the air conditioner would launch a Slack-like channel or like a chat bot by itself, pulling all the relevant stakeholders onto it, allowing them to talk among themselves and talk to the air conditioner itself. This is a real-time machine-initiated service ticket generated by the air conditioner itself. And how this can be done, because on our environment, the important stakeholders like the asset managers and the asset owners, they can digitize their workflow, however complicated it is, in a matter of few minutes. This is the core USP. That's why our customers love us. So this is how things look like. We from the moment of self-prediction or after something has failed until the moment the relevant service arrives on the spot. This part of the service life cycle is fully automated on Sensfix, and we provide an efficient link between the assets group and the operation and maintenance group in any business environment.
So thank you very much, Balaji. That's your 3 minutes up. I'm going to hand over to the judges now for 4 minutes of Q&As.
So okay. I see great potential here, especially nowadays with the current situation on the automation and the workflows, the workforce planning. So do you have any customers yet, or any POCs ongoing, and how do you plan to charge them? I think we lost Balaji. Or?
Yeah, I can see that we seem to have lost Balaji. Not sure what's happened there. Balaji, you just need to add yourself back into the stream. I'll pause the clock. Okay, here he is. Oh, you scared us there, Balaji. Good to see you. Okay.
So we have about 12 to 14 POCs running in the US as well as Europe. Right now we have two annual license contracts on the table, which are being signed because of the COVID-19. It's being delayed to get the purchase order, but these two agreements would lead us to an ARR of $250,000 in this year, which was supposed to be there by March time frame, but now we think it can go up to August-September time frame. And with the existing POCs, upon full conversion, we expect to clock about 1.5 million in US dollar ARR early next year, and that's on the track.
What about pricing? Are you charging per company or per number of devices?
We charge per company. We tried, charging per node points, per number of users, but our customers love one price for the entire company, and we are okay with that because that also helps us to position very competitively with our competitors. So there are two segments. Facility management, we sell somewhere between $20,000 up to $50,000 per year. For the whole company, and the oil and gas we sell $80,000 to $100,000